Tucson Rubberized Coatings would like to introduce its new emergency leak repair, product number 599. Preparation is easy. All you need is a caulking gun with a pin to break the seal and to make sure that your application surface is clean. Product number 599 is an SBS modified elastomeric sealant. It can be used as a wet patch, meaning that you can apply it to a damp or dry surface. To demonstrate this, we have this water, and as you can see, product number 599 can be applied directly to the surface underwater. Now, to demonstrate the waterproofing capabilities of product number 599, we'll cut a hole in the bottle and as you can see, immediately after product number 599 is applied, the leak is sealed and we have no more water coming out. Even after pressure is applied, the seal stays strong. This will be really useful on those rainy days where you have an emergency leak situation and it needs to be fixed immediately. Now, for a more real-world application, I have a piece of Bitech Matte 40 self-adhered underlayment, which, as you can see, I have cut a penetration into. Using product 599, you just need to trace the tear, crack, or seam. To address the leak. Now, if needed, you can use a trowel or a brush to level out the product. Additionally, you can use another SBS modified or similar product as a patch repair. Because product 599 is also made out of modified bitumen, this will promote a strong bond between the patch and the existing underlayment. For good measure, take product 599 and trace the seams of your new repair. Again, this is an emergency leak repair item. It is recommended to minimize exposure and get this coated as soon as possible. Because product number 599 is SBS modified bitumen, it has the added benefit of acting as a primer for your self-adhesive underlayments. All you need to do is on your side laps or end laps, apply a bead of product number 599 on the overlap. If needed, you can spread the product with a trowel or a brush to promote more even adhesion. On your overlapping piece, remove your quick release paper and apply as normal. Ideally, apply pressure with a weighted roller or a handheld seam roller. This is especially useful in cold weather application. Thank you for joining us for this demonstration of product number 599, Emergency Leak Repair, now available at all Tucson Rubberized locations. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. All of our contact information can be found on rubberized.com.